Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 29th of October, 2023. Here to talk about Bitcoin Cash. Give you all the price alert. Is the market in Bitcoin Cash still bullish? The answer, if you're looking at the chart now, is yes. Bitcoin Cash is still bullish. Now, before I go into that price alert, take a look at what we talked about previously in our Bitcoin Cash video. Right there on October the 6th, 2023. Told you all that the market was weak. That is exactly what the market did in Bitcoin Cash. Came all the way down to our ultimate TP price, October the 9th. 7.4%. That is where the buyers came in. You guys can see it. It's where the buyers came into the market in Bitcoin Cash, and then price did what? It went higher. So we was actually in vicinity to where we anticipated the market would turn. It's not rocket science. This is relatively simple once you get the understanding of the language of the markets. So now let's go ahead and get rid of this horizontal line there, and let's keep in line with the trend in Bitcoin Cash. This price is still bullish. One of the negative things though is price in Bitcoin Cash breaking away from this trend line. In order to understand how volatile a cryptocurrency is, if it breaks away from the overall trend, then you know that the market is definitely being overextended, and it's going to come back down to a place of ease, simplicity, stability. Is that where Bitcoin Cash trading right now? Or do we have the ability to see Bitcoin Cash continue to move up? Now, since we are anticipating that Bitcoin Cash is still a buy, we need to prepare ourselves to see, okay, where could the sellers be then? I think you guys can see it. The last time Bitcoin Cash came up here to $265 was on October the 24th, just 5 days ago. So we understand that this is where a couple of sellers are at into the market in Bitcoin Cash. Now, a good thing, looking at this on the daily time frame, is that yes, Bitcoin Cash did fall following October 24th, $262. It did go down, but the good thing is that those buyers are still currently holding price. Like, the market didn't crash, it didn't plummet, it didn't go all the way back down to 190 bucks. Bitcoin Cash on the 2-day chart. What do you think here? 7 hours and 16 minutes left. If the market in Bitcoin Cash closes higher than the previous 2 days, then it tells us that those buyers are still there. And the good thing, as you can see on the 2-day time frame, is that the buyers into the market in Bitcoin Cash, this is where they're at. This is where they're at right there. Okay, so we really don't want to see the price in Bitcoin Cash fall below 238 in the next 7 hours and 15 minutes. If it does, we already know what the next area is going to be. $220 right here. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Are you bullish here? Because I won't be. Look at that. Look at the last 5 days into the market of Bitcoin Cash. The last time we saw a price bar around $260, $265 was right here. What happened to the price? So I want to show you how you need to approach and be cautious as to, okay, yeah, we're bullish into the market of Bitcoin Cash, but currently this is where sellers are. And if the demand is not strong enough to take the sellers out the way, then the market will come back down just like it did back in July. Bitcoin Cash on the weekly, 2 weeks. Here's on the 3, 5 weeks, and here's the monthly chart so far. Take a look at Bitcoin Cash on the 330-minute chart. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? You can see on the 330-minute chart that sellers are also hitting the market right around here. Okay, so like if you're a bull or you're a buyer in Bitcoin Cash, or you bought around 235, 240, you want to see the price break up above this 248 area. So far, market is having issues. Okay, so I think in the near term, price in Bitcoin Cash is going to try to go higher. But it's not to the point to where I can say, yeah, we're about to see this market in Bitcoin Cash breakout. I just don't see that yet. But that's what I'm going to play, is the market movement in Bitcoin Cash to go up. Now, it's not going to be, some astronomical moonshot FOMO type price prediction. I don't do that. I try to be realistic in where price is trying to go based off the price information we already see. Okay. So I think the market in Bitcoin Cash, first target is going to be right there around 254, 255, which is around 3.4%. Second target will be around 263.50, which is around 6.91. And I think if the market really takes out those sellers at 262, and I'm looking at 270, 9.83% there. Okay, so let me cut these lines out the way, clean up the chart. And ultimately, I don't want to see the market in Bitcoin Cash fall below this area, like 225 or so. That's it. Give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.